Morning all of you. Carbonyl compounds. Evaluate yourself 1. Write the structures of the following compounds. Totally 6 compound structure we are going to write in this video. First one is alpha methoxy propionaldehyde 3 carbon atom. The aldehyde attached carbon atom is alpha carbon. In that alpha carbon, one methoxy group is present. So, CH3, 3 carbon atom. In the 3 carbon atom, the CHO attached carbon atom is alpha carbon. In this alpha carbon, one hydrogen is replaced by methoxy. This is your alpha methoxy propionaldehyde 3 carbon functional group attached carbon alpha. One H from alpha carbon is replaced by methoxy, alpha methoxy propionaldehyde. Second compound is 3 hydroxy butanol. IUPAC name. 4 carbon atom. The first carbon is yield. Aldehydic carbon, the third carbon containing 1 hydroxy. So, CH3, this is the third carbon, CHOH, second carbon and first carbon CHO. When we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 3 hydroxy butanol. Or butanol or butanol, second compound. Come to the third compound, 2 hydroxy cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Cyclopentane structure, this is cyclopentane structure, 5 carbon atom in cyclic form. Carbaldehyde indicate that there is one aldehydic functional group attached to the cyclic compound. This is your carbaldehyde. And if the aldehyde attached position is 1, we can start number either from clockwise or from anti-clockwise. The second position is, this position is the second position. So, in the second carbon atom, we have one OH group. This is where 2 hydroxy cyclopentane carbaldehyde, compound number 3. Come to compound number 4. 4 oxopentanol or pentanol. 4 oxopentanol. Pentanol indicate 5 carbon atom. So, in this compound, one aldehydic functional group and one keto functional group are present. The first preference goes to aldehydic functional group. Therefore, CO ketone functional group must be in prefix. 4th carbon ketone. Starting from the first carbon atom, CH3, 4th carbon is C double bond O. This is 5th carbon. 3rd carbon, 2nd carbon, and the first carbon is aldehydic carbon. When we give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 carbon pend, carbon single bond N, aldehyde L. In the 4th carbon we have oxo, 4 oxopentanol. Disecondary butyl ketone. Ketone functional group C double bond O. This is your ketone. Valency of carbon is 4. Disecondary butyl means left hand side one secondary butyl, right hand side one secondary butyl. Secondary butyl molecular formula CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. This is your secondary butyl. Like that here. CH, CH3, here you have one CH2, CH3. Here one secondary butyl, there one secondary butyl ketone, an example of symmetric ketone. Now we try to write the IUPAC name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbon heptane, carbon single bond N, functional group ketone 1, position of functional group 4. In the third and fifth carbon atom, we have 2 methyl group. 3, 5 dimethyl heptane 4-one is the IUPAC name of disecondary butyl ketone. Come to one more compound, 6th compound, 4-fluoroacetophenone. What is acetophenone? C6 H5 C double bond O CH3. This is your acetophenone. In acetophenone, this fourth position, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth position is occupied by fluorine. When we give a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4-fluoroacetophenone. So totally 6 molecule structure we have discussed. In the incoming video also I am going to discuss about the IUPAC name of carbonyl compound. Thank you very much. If you like, please subscribe.